Hey folks, Andrew here. Today we're turning Chrome from an oversharing extrovert into a quiet, minimal data Zen master, all in under 10 minutes with no extensions needed. I'll explain why each change matters, then we'll flip the switches together. Let's get into it. Step number one, we're going to turn off ad profiling. Okay, so Chrome can build ad topics about you, and it's helpful for advertisers, but not for privacy. So first we'll go up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, and you want to scroll down to settings, and from here you want to search for ad privacy. Then you will see ads privacy here. First you want to go to add topics, and you want to make sure that's disabled. Then go back and go to site suggested ads, make sure that's disabled, and ads measurement, we want to disable that also. And that's step one complete. Step number two, we're going to block third-party cookies. These follow you around the internet, around different sites, so it's better we disable them. So we're going to go up to the three dots in the top right-hand corner, scroll down to settings, over to privacy and security, and then select third-party cookies. And it will be set to allow third-party cookies. We want to block third-party cookies. And that's step two. Step three, we want to auto-clear cookies on close. It wipes trackers and sessions when you finish. So go up to the three dots in the top right, scroll down to settings, and from here go over to privacy and security. Then scroll down to site settings. And from here, scroll down to additional content settings. And then you want to scroll down until you see on device site data. And it says allow sites to save data on your device. We want to select delete data sites that have been saved to your device when you close all windows. And that's step number three completed. Step number four, we want to turn off preload pages. Prefetching can ping pages you never opened, which can leak a bit of interest or your IP. So we'll go up to the three dots in the top right and scroll down to settings. And from here, search settings, type preload. And preload pages. Chrome preloads pages, which makes browsing and searching faster. So we're going to disable that. And that is step four complete. Step number five, do not track. It's a polite request many sites ignore, but we can enable it. The real protection comes from the other settings that we're doing. So we will go up to the top right and select the three dots, scroll down to settings, and search do not track. From here, scroll down to third-party cookies, and you will see send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. We are going to enable this and then confirm, and that's step number five. Step number six, we're going to tame location, camera, and microphone. No site needs access to your microphone just in case, so we're going to change that. So go up to the three dots in the top right, scroll down to settings, and then over to privacy and security, and then down to site settings. So first off, we are going to look at the location, and you want to make sure it's set so sites can ask for your location. If you want to go nuclear, you can, and just select don't allow sites to see your location at all. Okay, so then next you want to go back and you want to select camera. And you want to make sure that sites can ask to use your camera is selected. Then go back again and go to microphone and make sure sites can ask to use your microphone is selected. And then go back and select notifications, and you want to make sure sites can ask to send notifications and collapse unwanted requests is selected. And that's step number six. Step number seven, we want to control sync and Google services. Sync is convenient, but it can tie browsing to your Google account. So I'm going to disable it. We are going to go up to settings, the three dots in the top right hand corner, and scroll down to settings. And then you want to type in sync. And you can see sync and Google services. So we want to select that. And I am going to turn off sync. You could also manage what you sync. So if you want to keep it on and have some options set yourself, then you can go ahead. But for the video, I will be turning mine off. Turn off again. And then you will be logged out of your account. And that's step number 7. Step number 8, make searches more private. This is a quick one, so we're just going to change our search engine. So we will go up to the three dots in the top right, scroll down to settings, and then go over to search engine. And you will see search engine, and it's set to Google. We're going to change that, and I am going to use DuckDuckGo. And then set as default. And DuckDuckGo is now your default search engine. That is step number 8. Step number 9, always use HTTPS, encryption or bust. So we are going to enable this by going up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, scroll down to settings, then select privacy and security. And from here, you want to scroll down to security. And if you scroll down, you'll see secure connections. Always use secure connections. For sites that don't support secure connections, get warned before visiting the site. You want to make sure this is enabled. And that's that. That's step number 9 complete. All right, congratulations. You've made it to step number 10. And that is, we are going to clear out old data. So we will go up to the three dots in the top right hand corner. Scroll down to settings, over to privacy and security, and then delete browsing data. We want to make sure the time range is set to all time. We want to delete browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. And select delete data. And that is it. You have completed all 10 steps. Alright folks, so a quick recap. We turned off add privacy features, we blocked third-party cookies and auto-clear cookies on close. We have disabled page preloading, blocked down permissions, minimized and disabled sync, switched search engines, always use HTTPS, and we cleared old data. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. That would be a great help. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.